Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for being here for the tea. All right, you guys, so you guys know that I reported on Supa Cent and her ex-boyfriend slash baby daddy, Louis, and they're having some drama and it continues, okay? So I guess Louis is still wanting to respond to what Supa said yesterday on Twitter. As you guys know, Supa was kicked off of Instagram because she got reported allegedly by her baby daddy, Louis, okay? So pay attention to these next few readings, okay? We have a little bit from Louis, and then we have some tweets from Supa Cent, honey, and she is going in again, sunning the hell out of Louis, okay? It is crazy, all right? Do you guys think that Supa still is interested in Louis? Does she miss him? Like, do they miss each other? What's really going on? Drop down in the comments below and let me know, okay? All right, you guys, so y'all saw that. Yeah, I know y'all read that, all right? So what do you guys think about all of this? She just basically sunned the hell out of him, telling him, hey, you didn't have nothing when I met you and you still don't have a goddamn thing, okay? So Supa is just really going in. She is fed up. She is tired. She is too through with Louis, okay? And also, she did a sale using his name. The code name is Louis. She's already made over $100,000, and I think in less than 24 hours, okay? So make sure y'all take advantage of the sale. Not sure if it's still going on, but I definitely picked up a few things, okay? Anyway, thanks for being here for the tea, guys. Bye.